Imagine a world where your business thrives on the cutting edge of technology, where every challenge is met with a smart, efficient solution. The future of IT is here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. Introducing Wharton Labs, your partner in unlocking the full potential of AI for your business. We specialize in generative AI and AI services, transforming the way you operate, innovate, and serve your customers. Services we offer are AI application development, custom-built applications that learn and adapt to your business needs, ensuring you stay ahead of the competition using advanced LLM models like GPT-3, GPT-4, Claude, Mistral, Llama 3, and many more. AI custom software solutions, tailored software that integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, driving efficiency and productivity. Enterprise AI solutions. Scale your operations with AI-powered analytics, decision-making, and automation using coding and no-code platforms like Unfork. Contact us today to explore how our generative AI and AI services can revolutionize your business. Wharton Labs, empowering your business with intelligent solutions.